Asuntoskäyttäjä Turun Itäinen Katu näin.
Yeah, today is the 22nd September 2023 years. Itäinen Pitkäkatu, Estelongatan. 9 staircase D, and we have filmed the staircases A, B, and C here. In Turku, Finland. Also D before, but because of the bad quality.
Yeah.
The capacity is 3 persons, so the roof occupants built in 1966, turned 55 years old in 2021, with MP6 fixtures.
Yeah. Oh, it's a very rare M-series update.
It was after 2012?
Yes.
Really? Oh, it's pretty. That's one of these rare spare parts. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very cool. So it was after 2012 they got these.
Yeah, or probably 2012, but
yeah.
Not earlier.
Yeah, December 14364. It will be expected 2025. That's the take 2 hours here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we hadn't found traces of Kone with evergreen modernization.
Yeah.
But this is 2012 with these.
Yeah.
So 2012 is the last time when they used Kone.
Ja, sitten mä mietin, että Bautis on Ariskraptis.
So that bad view was actually important because we know that this is after I was here.
Yeah.
But it's probably not 2013.
Yeah.
That's it, thanks for watching.
That's